Om Namah Shivaya. Let us begin this session. Welcome to all of you for this wonderful yoga session. Sit in any comfortable position. Take any comfortable position which you can, either in Vajrasana, Sukhasana, Siddhasana, or Padmasana, whichever is most convenient and comfortable to begin the yoga sadhana. As we know, yoga sadhana is not just a physical exercise, it is going inside to understand the self. Let us make ourselves comfort, stopping all the external activities, external thoughts of the mind. Just try to go inside. Let us travel inside, adopting any mudra, chin mudra or gnana mudra on the thighs. Keeping the spine upright, let us close the eyes and try to begin our journey. Try to observe yourself, observe your body, become aware of the whole body. Your whole body is like a machine, a vehicle. The internal organs are like different parts of a machine, vehicle. You are just observing the different parts of the body, like observing the different part of a vehicle. You are just observing how they function, whether they are functioning in the proper way or not. Your duty is just to watch and try to set right. Becoming aware of the internal organs, relaxing themselves, becoming aware of your breathing. Just try to watch the slowness in the breathing. At the same time, feel the nerve impulse at the tip of the fingers. Feel the lightness in the body now. Once if you begin your journey traveling inside, the whole body will become relaxed. You will feel something different when you are with the external objective. Let us begin this sadhana, gently shifting the awareness on the Agna Chakra eyebrow center, visualizing the picture of Om. Let us chant Omkara, saluting ourselves to the Lord Shiva, Ishvara, with this symbol Om. Take a deep breath. Om. 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 Slowly and gently adopt Namaskar Mudra, prayer, Vedic mantra. Sangachadvam samvadadvam samvo manansi janatam devabhagam yata purve sanjanana upasate sangachadvam samvadadvam sammo manansi janata devabhagam yata purve sanjanana upasate sanjanana upasate sanjanana upasate. Very slowly and gently take back the arms, hold the right wrist with the left, inhale, raise your head up, Exhale slowly and gently, bend the trunk and offer the salutations to Almighty. Very slowly and gently, let us pray ourselves, seeking the blessing of Almighty. Let our practice be fruitful. Very slowly and gently come to Tadasana. From Vajrasana, come to Tadasana. We'll begin the practice Sukshma Vyayama. Apart the legs, keep your both the palms on the waist. Neck movement. Very slowly bend your neck forward. Press your chin. Observe the breathing. Inhale slowly, raise your head up. Bend your neck back. Very slowly exhale. Bend the neck forward. With the exhalation, press your chin. Inhale slowly and gently, raise your head up. Bend your neck back. Stretching the throat. Exhale slowly and gently, bend your neck forward. Inhale slowly, raise your head up, bend the neck back. Exhale slowly and gently, bend your neck forward. Very slowly and gently inhale, raise your head up. Awareness on the breathing and the neck movement. Very slowly and gently bend your neck forward. Inhale slowly, come to center. Now bend your neck right so that the right shoulder, right ear touching the right shoulder. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly, bend the neck left so that the left ear touching the left shoulder. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, bend your neck right. Right ear touching the right shoulder. Enjoy the pain. Come to center. Exhale, bend the neck left. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, bend the neck right. Very slowly and gently. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, bend the neck left. Slowly and gently come to center. Turn the neck right so that the chin is aligned with the shoulder. Turn the neck as much as possible. Now slowly inhale, come to center. Turn the neck left. Twist your neck completely towards the left side. Slowly and gently come to center. Turn the neck completely towards the right. Enjoy the pain. Slowly come to center. Turn the neck left. Very slowly and gently twist your neck left. Come to center. Turn the neck right. Very slowly and gently enjoying the pain. Very slowly come to center. Turn the neck left. Now very slowly and gently inhale, come to center. Exhale, bend your neck forward, press the chin. Rotate your neck very slowly and gently, loosen the neck muscles clockwise. 5 times with inhalation and exhalation. Very slowly, Sukshma Vyayama or subtle practice. Inhale, raise your head up. Exhale, slowly bend your neck forward. Feel the rotation. Sukshma Vyayamas are the subtle practices. These are all not just macro exercises. These are all the micro exercises, practicing very slowly, 5 rounds clockwise, and very slowly and gently continue the practice in the reverse, anti-clockwise. Rotate very slowly and gently, loosening the neck muscles. Feel the rotation very slowly with breathing. 5 rounds anti-clockwise, rotating the neck muscles. Stop the practice. Very slowly release the arms. Now we'll go for the shoulder rotation. Keep your both the fingers on the shoulders. Now join the elbows, join the heels. Now inhale slowly and gently, raise your shoulders up. Exhale slowly, drop the shoulders down. Awareness on the breathing and rotation. Very slowly and gently inhale, raise your arms up. Very slowly exhale, drop the arms down. Practice very slowly. Enjoy the rotation. 5 rounds forward movement, 5 rounds reverse. Loosening the shoulders, feeling the rotation in the reverse direction. Very slowly and gently loosen the shoulders. Feel the lightness in the shoulder joints as you rotate. Enjoy the pain. Removing the stiffness around the neck muscles and the shoulders. Feeling the lightness. Stop the practice. Relax. Apart the legs now off-feet distance. Raise your both the arms. Trunk twisting. Palms facing each other. Take a deep breath. Dirga. Inhale very deeply. Slowly and gently twist your trunk right. So that The left palm is on the right shoulder. Twist your trunk as much as possible, gauging the tip of the fingers. Inhale, very slowly and gently come to center. Very slowly turn the neck, twist your trunk left, right palm over the left shoulder. Enjoy the twisting. Inhale slowly and gently come to center. Exhale slowly, twist your trunk right. Left palm over the right shoulder. Twist as much as possible. Enjoy the pain. Very slowly and gently come to center. Turn the neck. Very slowly. Twist your trunk left. Right palm over the left shoulder. Inhale very slowly and gently come to center. Exhale slowly and gently. Twist your trunk right. Left palm over the right shoulder. Enjoying the pain. Very slowly and gently come to center. Twist your trunk very slowly towards left. Enjoy the pain around the trunk muscles. Very slowly and gently come to center. Drop the arms. Very slowly we'll go for the knee movement. Join the legs and apart the heels of feet distance, 2 inches. Raise your arms, palms facing downwards. Very slowly take a deep breath. Exhale deeply and gently come to squatting position. Sit. Very slowly and gently inhale, come up. Exhale slowly and gently bend your knee, come to squatting position. Inhale slowly and gently come up. Exhale slowly and gently bend your knees. Inhale slowly and gently come up. Stop the practice. Relax. Relax the shoulders, close the eyes. Relax your shoulders. Relax the trunk muscles. Watch the thigh muscles, knee joints, ankles. Feeling the lightness, Sukshma Vyayama practices helps to remove the lethargy, laziness around the joints, prevents wear and tear of the joints as the age grows up. Enjoying this Sukshma Vyayama practice, we'll go for the Yogasana practice. Tadasana, simple Tadasana. Very slowly and gently join the heels, stretch the shoulders. Now very slowly inhale, raise your arms up. Very slowly and gently stretch the shoulders. Tadasana, stretch. And Tadasana, stay in the position 10 seconds. Observe the breathing, close the eyes. Stretch as much as possible. Try to touch the roof and relax. As the asana says, Stiram Sukham Asanam, try to be relaxed in this position 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently bend forward. Pada Hastasana. Bend as much as possible. Don't go beyond the limits. Bend forward and try to hold the ankles. If possible, try to go further. Try to keep your both the palms by the side of the foot. Otherwise, hold the ankles, stay in the position 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, very slowly and gently come up. Exhale, very slowly drop the arms. Now apart the legs, relax. Observe the breathing. Observe all the changes. After each practice, try to watch the changes. Enjoy the pain around the trunk muscles, shoulders, neck muscles. While relaxing, enjoy the lightness of the body. Now we'll go for the Ardha Chakrasana. Very slowly join the heels. Now slide the palms. Bring your both the palms by the side of the thighs. Inhale very slowly and gently slide the palms up. Now turn the palms, take the support, push your abdomen forward and bend back. Bend your trunk back, neck back, Ardha Chakrasana. Be there in this position. Enjoy the pain, but relax. Relax your trunk muscles. Don't hold the position. Relax while in final position. Withdraw your effort. Enjoying the lightness of the abdomen muscles, trunk muscles. Bending the neck back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently come up. Don't open the eyes. Let the eyes keep closed. Be there and relax the shoulders, abdomen muscles, trunk muscles. Relax. Relaxing the whole body. Now slide the palms down. Apart the legs, relax once again. Observe the changes. After the stimulation, we have to relax. So Stiram Sukham Asanam, stimulation and relaxation. We have to observe all the concept of yoga practices, yogic techniques, and if you practice accordingly, you will not get any pain. You will relax the body in the final posture and you will enjoy the lightness of the body. We'll go for the Trikonasana, join the heels, stretch your right leg 3 to 3.5 feet distance. Now try to adjust yourself, check yourself. The entire body is in a triangle shape. Now very slowly and gently raise your arms up. Inhale, raise your both the arms and very slowly and gently exhale and bend right side so that the right palm moves down the right knee. Turn the neck left, raise your left arm, palms facing forward, gauge the tip of the finger, stretching the shoulder. Enjoy the pain around the lateral muscles and the trunk muscles. Left trunk muscle, feel the stretched trunk muscles and relax. Now withdraw your effort, enjoy the position, stay in the position minimum 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently bring your left arm down. Inhale, raise your arm and drop the arms. Now very slowly be there, relax, enjoy all the changes. Don't be hurry in the practice. Let all the things will happen slowly and gently. Now very slowly and gently raise your arms up, both the arms, and exhale deeply, bend your trunk left. Don't bend forward or backward, bend laterally so that the left palm sliding down the left knee, raise your right arm, palm facing forward, gauge the tip of the finger, tighten the knee joints, but relax. Relaxation is very important. When you withdraw your mind, the mind will become easy and the body will become relaxed. Just watch 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently come up, raise your left arm and slowly drop the arms. Very slowly and gently join the legs and relax. Observe all the changes once again. Close the eyes. When you close the eyes and watch the stimulated organs, stimulated joints, stimulated muscles, they will relax quite naturally. After the standing posture, we'll go for the sitting postures. There are 4 types of yoga asanas: standing, sitting, supine, and prone. All these will help to bring physical strength and mental strength. Very slowly join the heels. Come to Vajrasana very slowly. Folding the knees, stand on the knees very slowly and gently. Join the heels. From Vajrasana, we'll go for Ardha Ustrasana. Very slowly and gently stand on the knees and slide the palms and take the support, firm support at the back. Turning the palms, very slowly and gently bend your trunk back. Ardha Ustrasana, bend your neck back. Very slowly and gently stretching the shoulders back, relax. Withdraw your effort now. Enjoy the position. Don't hold the position, no tension in any joints. Relax. Relaxation is very important in the final posture. When you withdraw the mind, you will be relaxed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently come up. Don't open the eyes. Be there. Stand on the knees. Enjoy the changes. Blood rushing down the head region from Ardha Ustrasana, half camel posture. When you feel the lightness and slowness in the breathing, slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. Very slowly and gently relax in Vajrasana. Observe all the changes. Observe the changes of each practice. The changes may be of 5%, 10%, don't worry. If you keep on practicing, the flexibility and also strength will increase naturally. Now inhale slowly, Shashankasana. Raise your arms up, stretch the shoulders up and bend your trunk back. Feel the stretched back muscles. Enjoy the pain around the lower back muscles, thoracic muscles, shoulders. Be there, relax, very slowly stretching. Exhale deeply and bend forward. Very slowly bend forward, rest your elbows and the palms, rest your forehead. Now relax the back muscles, relax your neck muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently inhale. Raise your arms up. Once again, exhale. Slowly and gently drop the arms. Very slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. Now we'll go for Uttana Mandukasana. From Vajrasana, very slowly and gently stretch your knee, thighs as much as possible. According to your capacity, very slowly inhale, raise your arms up. Very slowly and gently stretch the shoulders up. Uttana Mandukasana, fold the elbows, keep your both the palms on the shoulders. Now, once if you go to the final posture, Stiram Sukham Asanam, close the eyes, enjoy the position, observe all the changes, pain around the knee joints, thigh muscles, shoulders, but relax. When you observe carefully, the pain will go away from the body. Stay in the position with relaxed mind. Observe the slowness in the breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently raise your arms up. Slowly drop the arms. Very slowly and gently join the thighs. Relax in Vajrasana. Very slowly close the eyes for a few seconds, relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the abdomen muscles, relaxing the thigh muscles. Enjoying the position. If you want to go for the next practice, the breathing must be very slow and gentle. Observe the changes, observe the breathing. Yoga chitta ruti nirodha manah prashamanopayah yoga ityabhidiyate tam yogamiti manyante stiram indriya dharanam. Yoga helps to develop all-round personality, physical, mental, social, emotional, and spiritual personality. When you keep on observing all these techniques, so you will be able to reach the final spiritual personality. Very slowly and gently, we'll go for Vakrasana. Very slowly unfold the right leg and the left leg. Very slowly and gently come to Dandasana. From Dandasana, very slowly and gently, fold your right knee. Keep your right foot by the side of the left knee. Tighten the left knee, raise your right arm with inhalation. Keep your right palm at the back. Tighten the left knee, raise your left arm. Bring your left arm across your right thigh. Suck the abdomen inside and twist your trunk, turn the neck. Hold the leg or the ankle or the toe. But tighten the left knee, don't loosen, and turn the neck. Try to turn the neck as much as possible, but relax the abdomen muscles. Don't hold the position. Enjoy the posture with relaxed mind. Stay in this position. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently inhale, raise your left arm. Bring back your left arm and stretch your right leg. Relax. After each practice, try to relax. Observe all the changes and try to continue. When you close the eyes, you will be relaxed naturally. When you open the eyes, you will get pain. So try to close the eyes and watch all the changes and continue the practice. We'll go for opposite side. Very slowly and gently come to Dandasana and tighten the right knee, fold your left knee, keep your left foot by the side of the right knee. Inhale, slowly raise your left arm up, bring it back. Slowly and gently raise your right arm with inhalation. Suck the abdomen inside, slowly bring it across your left thigh. Hold the ankle, turn the neck left. Relax your abdomen muscles, thigh muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently raise your right arm, bring back. Slowly and gently stretch your left leg. Come to relaxation posture. Relax in Shitila Dandasana. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently come to Dandasana. From Dandasana, with the relaxed mind, We'll go to the next practice. Come to Vajrasana. Very slowly and gently. From Vajrasana, we'll pass on to the next practice. Prone lying postures. Bhujangasana, Ardha Bhujangasana or Makarasana and Bhujangasana. Very slowly and gently lie on your abdomen. Stretch your both the hands. Join the heels. Now very slowly and gently come to Makarasana or also known as Phoenix Asana. Relaxing position. Keep your chin, keep your both the palms under the chin. Relax in this position. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently stretch your both the hands forward, relaxing the shoulders. Bring your both the palms by the side of the chest. Now very slowly and gently raise your head up, chest up. Very slowly and gently knee. Join the thighs. Let the thigh muscles lie on the floor. Relax. Raise your navel center above the floor. Try to look up. Try to gauge the roof. Relax the shoulders, abdomen muscles. Stay in the position as long as you can. Starting, beginning 10 counts. You can increase up to 30 counts to relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently rest your abdomen and rest your chest. Fold your elbows, come to Makarasana, apart the legs, relax. Bhujangasana, powerful practice. Serpentine or asp posture helps to strengthen the lower back, strengthens the back muscles, abdomen organs. Very much useful to the people suffering from lower back pain, strengthens the digestive system, improves the immunity as it opens up the chest, improves the functions of the respiratory organs. From this position, very slowly and gently now, come to Vajrasana. Very slowly and gently come up, come to Vajrasana, and we'll go for the supine lying positions. Very slowly from Vajrasana, lie on the back, stretching the legs, and fold the right leg and the left leg. Come to Dandasana. From Dandasana, slowly and gently lie on the back. Fold your knees. Very slowly we'll go for the Setu Bandhasana. Keep your both the feet on the floor, palms on the floor. Folding the knees, very slowly lift your buttocks up as much as possible. Resting the shoulders on the floor, palms on the floor. Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Relax in this position. You can stay in the position 15 seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently drop your buttocks. Relax. Relax your hip joints, palms facing upwards. Observe the changes. Be there. Don't stretch the legs. 10, be there. 9, enjoy. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently stretch your both the legs. We'll go for Uttana Padasana or Ardha Halasana. Join the legs. Very slowly and gently inhale. Raise your both the legs up 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Very slowly and gently, both the legs are at 90 degrees. Relax in this position, Uttana Padasana. Stay in the position. If you want, you can take the support at the back or hold the buttocks. Be there and relax. You can keep your both the palms under the back also, buttocks also. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently drop the legs. Very slowly and gently come to Shavasana, relax. Apart the legs, observe the changes. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly join the legs. Pavana Mukta Asana, wind releasing posture. Very slowly and gently take back the arms. Now raise your both the legs up to 90 degrees. Fold your knees. Very slowly bring your hands down. Interlock the fingers. Raise your head up. Very slowly. Be there. Hold the position. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently take back the arms. Raise your both the legs up. Slowly bring your hands down and slowly drop your legs 60 degrees, 30 degrees, slowly to Shavasana. Apart the legs and relax. Become aware of the whole body now. Shavasana, aided body posture, relaxation posture. After all the asana practice, we have to relax the body. So relaxation is most important. After the asana practice, relax. Relaxation is a simple technique which we need to observe and become aware of the body parts. Now let us watch carefully, enjoy all the asanas. We have enjoyed all the standing, sitting, prone and supine postures, simple postures which helps to enhance the cardiac function and the respiratory function, improves the, enhances the immunity, and also very powerful practice to strengthen our even mind and the body. These practices helps to prevent also the diseases relates to the immunity by enhancing the functions of the heart, functions of the respiratory system, digestive system. Now let us relax all the organs by observing all the changes. When the organs get harmonized, then they start functioning themselves with coordination. So yoga is mind body coordination. Yoga is coordination with the internal organs. Let us bring our awareness on the navel center, watching the movement of the abdomen muscles. Let the whole body collapse. Don't hold the position, no tension in any joints. Check yourself, no joints in the toes or the ankles, no tension in the hip joint, no tension in the shoulders, elbow, just relaxing themselves. All the organs of the different, all the different part of the body are relaxing totally now. In order to relax deeply, bring your awareness on the navel center. Let us count the numbers mentally 30 to 1 and try to relax more and more. A simple technique to relax quickly by observing the movement of the abdomen muscles. This you can practice anytime, anywhere. Now just begin the counting the numbers mentally. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now feel the lightness of the whole body now. feeling the lightness in the entire body, feeling the slowness in the breathing, calmness in the mind. You can relax the body by practicing Shavasana 10 to 15 minutes. You'll be relaxed more and more. Initially, we have to relax the body, then we have to relax the mind, then the whole body and the mind will be relaxed. With a beautiful relaxation, very slowly and gently, turn the neck right and left. Try to feel the lightness. If you are still having some more pain, you can relax more time. Now very slowly join the heels. Now take back the right arm, fold your left knee. Now very slowly turn right side. Don't come up suddenly. Take the support with the left palm, press the left palm, and very slowly and gently come to Sukhasana or Siddhasana. Very slowly come to any sitting posture, easy and comfortable position. Easy posture, Sukhasana or Siddhasana. Keep your spine upright. Now let us continue the yoga sadhana. After the strengthening the physical body, we'll go for the strengthening of the mind through pranayama practice. Shwasa Uchvasa Gatir Vichedaha Pranayamaha, Patanjali Maharshi says, we have to expand the gap between the inhalation and exhalation through various techniques. In order to strengthen the lungs capacity, you have to practice the abdomen breathing, or even you can practice the sectional breathing, abdomen, thoracic, and clavicular breathing, and full yogic breathing. So, breathing is the bridge between the mind and the body. So, let us begin the practice of abdomen breathing, or we can call it as diaphragmatic breathing. Keep your right palm below the diaphragm. Adopt Chin Mudra or Gnana Mudra on the left palm. We'll become aware of the movement of the abdomen muscles, how it bulges forward and goes inside with the synchronization of our breathing. This is the natural breathing we have to learn. Now keep your right palm, bring your awareness on the navel center. Inhale, count the numbers mentally. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly move the abdomen forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, sink the abdomen in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the practice. Now just become aware of your abdomen muscles. Try to watch the movement of the navel center, abdomen muscles forward and inside. Naturally, we have to inhale and exhale from the navel center so that the complete full utilization of the lungs takes place, especially the lower lobe of the lungs, where all the toxins, carbon dioxide stores because of our improper breathing. So relaxing the abdomen muscles, we'll go for the Kapalbhati cleansing technique, skull cleansing technique. Now, active exhalation, passive inhalation. We can begin the practice with the 30 exhalation, increasing up to 60 to 100. 1 stroke per second, only exhalation. We call it as Rechaka. Keep your spine upright. Keep your right palm below the diaphragm, above the navel center. You'll go on exhale through both the nostrils. Inhale deeply. Now go on exhale. Stop the practice after 60 exhalation. Just do nothing. Watch all the changes. Observe the Kevala Kumbhaka. After complete exhalation, inhalation takes place. After inhalation, the breath holds naturally without your intention. This stage is known as Kevala Kumbhaka, Sahaja Kumbhaka, a state of beautiful meditation. Hold the breath as long as you can or observe the natural holding and just become aware of your breathing. Let it be natural. Don't do anything. Be like an umpire with the Sakshi Bhava witnessing attitude. You have to watch all the changes. In yoga, every technique leads you towards a state of beautiful bliss and happiness known as meditation, and then observation or samadhi takes place. With this beautiful state of mind, we'll go for the Bastrika Pranayama, expansion and contraction of the lungs to strengthen the lungs and also to remove excess toxins from the lungs. Take the position, raise your arms up with inhalation and exhalation with equal proportion of inhalation and exhalation. We'll move the arms up and down with the expansion and contraction. Try to feel the expansion as you inhale. Try to feel the contraction of the lungs as you exhale. With the maximum speed of inhalation and exhalation, we'll begin the practice. Inhale and exhale. Stop the practice. Just observe the changes with the closed eyes. Don't do anything. Just observe with the witnessing attitude. Let it be natural. Feel the coolness in the lungs. Just try to watch the natural breathing. All the practices leads you towards the state of silence, controlling the mind, gaining mastery over the mind, and also keeps your mind calm and quiet. As the definitions of yoga says, Patanjali Maharshi says, Yoga Chitta Rutti Nirodha, gaining mastery over the mind, whereas Yoga Vasistha says, Manah Prashamanopayaha Yoga. Keeping the mind calm and quiet, you are enjoying a state of bliss and happiness. With this silent state of mind, there will be a lot of creativity starts in the mind. You can do the wonderful work. With this beautiful practice, we'll go for the Nadi Shodhana, Pranayama, balancing Pranayama. When you're able to balance the prana, the mind gets balanced. With this Nadi Shodhana, Pranayama will balance the two Nadis, Ida and Pingala, Surya and Chandra. Now first fold your first two fingers of the right palm. Close your eyes. Press your right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale through left nostril, 6 counts. Slowly inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left nostril, open the right, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right nostril, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right, exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the practice. Just become aware of the changes. Watch the breathing. Try to feel the balanced prana, balanced mind. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, very much useful to the people suffering from hypertension, helps to prevent the heart disease, also helps to reduce the blood pressure, keeps the mind calm and quiet. If you keep on practicing Nadi Shodhana, minimum of 9 rounds 4 times a day, early in the morning, before lunch, before dinner and evening, you can practice even 4 to 6 times to cleanse the prana. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama helps to clean the pranic system, Pranamaya Kosha. With this, we'll go on for the next practice, Brahmari Pranayama, making a sound of female bee. Now, very slowly and gently close your ears, plug your ears with the tip of the forefinger, inhale through both the nostrils, while exhaling, make a sound of female bee, humming sound like ing. This will help you to produce the nitric oxide, where it acts as vasodilator, prevents the coagulation or the clot in the blood vessels or the air passage. Take a deep breath now. Go on, exhale and make a sound. Mm. Inhale, both the nostrils, make a humming sound. Mm. Inhale deeply. Mm. Inhale deeply. Mm. Inhale deeply. Mm. Slowly and gently stop the practice, but continue the feeling of vibrations of Brahmari in the head region. Brahmari pranayama, humming sound pranayama, vitalizing pranayama, healing pranayama, resounding pranayama, laya pranayama leads you towards a state of bliss and happiness, samadhi also. It leads you towards the state of silence, meditation. Enjoy this Brahmari pranayama for few seconds. Brahmari pranayama helps to relieve anger, anxiety, cerebral tension. Powerful pranayama to strengthen the respiratory organs, prevents the coagulation of blood in the air passage and the heart. Very powerful practice in the pandemic situation like COVID. If you keep on practicing this pranayama every day 4 to 5 times, you will not suffer from any oxygen scarcity. Let us continue the practice every day, keeping in this mind. Let us do the resolution, the state of beautiful meditation. Resolution made in the silent state of mind brings positive result. Let us repeat this sankalpa in the mind. I am powerful. My I am feeling a beautiful, healthy body and mind. My world is healthy. My world is powerful. My world is healthy. My earth is best place to live. My earth is best place to live. I am the powerful divine soul. I am the powerful divine soul. I am powerful. I am purified, blissful, happiest, healthiest, peaceful divine soul. I am powerful, purified, blissful, happiest, healthiest, peaceful divine soul. I am the powerful, purified, blissful, happiest, healthiest, peaceful divine soul. Powerful affirmations brings you mental, emotional strength, physical strength, mental strength, emotional strength. Three ways we can achieve through the yoga practice. Yoga is not just physical exercise. Yoga is a way of life. Let us adopt this yogic way of life in order to build a beautiful society. With the beautiful resolution, become aware of the whole body, feeling the lightness in the body, slowness in the breathing, calmness in the mind. Three cardinal principles of yoga: relaxing the body, slowness in the breathing, calmness in the mind. Let us conclude this wonderful session with Shanti Mantra. Very slowly and gently unfold the right leg and the left leg. Gently come to Vajrasana. Very slowly and gently adopt Namaskar Mudra. Let us chant all together for the well-being of the whole society. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kasche dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Very slowly and gently take back the arms. Hold the right wrist with the left. Inhale, raise your head up. Exhale slowly and gently bend the trunk. Offer the salutations to all the sages who taught us yoga for the mind and the body. Let us salute to all the Guru Varyas who taught us yoga for the mind and the body. Inhale, slowly come up, release the arms, rub the palms very slowly and gently, producing the heat and the energy. Gently keep the palms in front of the eyes, massage over the eyeballs, cheeks and chin very slowly and gently. Open the eyes very slowly, opening the palms like a book. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadye Saraswati, Karamule Sthitiye Gauri, Prabhate Karadarshanam. Arihom Tatsat, Arihom Tatsat, Arihom Tatsat. Om Shivarpanamastu, Om Namah Shiva. Dhanyavadaha. Thanks to one and all.
Namaste. Thank you, Guruji. It's a wonderful session. So let us meet at 9 o'clock, dear participants, for the plenary session.
Thank you then. Bye.
And yeah, tomorrow same time, 7:15 for all the participants to join for yoga.
Yes.
Yeah.
So tomorrow same time.
Same time. Thank you, Odarji, Dr. Odier. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Nice day. Happiness day.
Thank you.